Warm welcome to each and everyone. Today is the 26th at the 12th, 2023. My name is Simeon Chotilal, all the way from Trinidad and Tobago. And once again, welcome to our opportunity call. We are here to basically bring a opportunity, an online opportunity where you could invest into somebody supported crypto and earn a passive income with this platform, right? So we are here to talk about Shao Bank, guys, and I must say Shao Bank has shown tremendous results from the time of operation till this date. Right, time of launch till this date, they originally have been launched September 2022, and we have seen a lot of accomplishments within Shao Bank, and that is basically dealing with offices being launched globally. Right, we're talking about sponsorship programs rolled out, a lot of other different accomplishments. They recently added new payments to the system. New bonds was released, right? And they recently had a summit that took place, a 1 year anniversary summit. And all this information is transparent on their website at shaobank.com. So compliments of the season, right? So a little history about myself. I've been involved in the crypto and forex space, I should say, for the past 3 years. And back in my day, back 3 years ago, we didn't know anything about platforms with investing and stuff like that. We basically had joined schools learning to trade the financial markets, having to spend monthly subscriptions, funding our own trading account. And it was very time consuming, and also it was very costly to get involved with these forex trading programs when you had to fund your own brokerage account and stuff like that. So if I had knew about these types of investment where the startup cost is literally 51 USDT with Shao Bank, and they charge no monthly fees, I mean, this would have been the go-to, guys. And Shao Bank already made a year out here, right? So Shao Bank has shown stability on the platform. They basically have bonds for us to invest into, right? They have deposit option where we could earn yearly, and then we could be qualified for one of their loan services by participating on all the products within the platform. So before I get straight into it, I just want to just put my personal risk disclaimer out there, guys, that I am not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I simply saw an opportunity March 2023, the later period, and I got involved with Shao Bank. I did my own research, my due diligence, they call it. I took the risk of getting involved into the opportunity. And I really glad that I did, guys, because a lot of crypto platforms I was involved before Shao Bank, the exit scam, rug pull, they stole our money. And it's not an easy thing to lose money, right? So the good thing about the opportunity with Shao Bank is that they have a minimum startup cost, right? Which is literally in our currency in Trinidad and Tobago about 433 TT to buy into USDT, 51 USDT, right? So at the end of the day, you had to know that all businesses do consist of risk, but you had to know your financial status and how much you're willing to lose at the end of the day, right? How much you're willing to risk and take that leap of faith, guys. Like what I did. I took the initiative to get started with Shao Bank, and now I'm reaping so many rewards. It's really amazing because I even got an opportunity to send in an application to Shao Bank to advertise as a digital marketer, and I got through because Shao Bank recently had vacancies as well, and you all could still consider that for marketers out there. You could look into it and see what is the requirements and apply. You never know how things could turn out for you, right? So at the end of the day, just remember no risk, no reward, guys. And I do not handle anyone finances. I'm just here sharing my experience with the platform. And if you see that it's bringing value to you as a beneficial opportunity, as a additional source of income, you could take that chance as well. or you can make that decision to come into the platform and hopefully be profitable as well. So here we go, guys. So Shao Bank. Shao Bank basically is a neo banking system that is accessible worldwide. That's the simplest way I could put it. Neo banking meaning that it's 100% accessible online. Shao Bank provides bonds, which is really good. That stands out to me as an investor into cryptocurrencies because crypto bonds, dealing with bonds, it's basically more stable and predictable approach compared to crypto trading and forex trading, right? So keep that in mind. They also deal with deposit option. All banks do have a deposit option, and that deposit option, basically you gain 11.5% a year on your deposit option. They also have credits. Basically, what that means is that if you take the deposit option and you take bonds option, you also have um, the requirement there to get qualified for a loan within the platform. So guys, let me just know if you all are hearing me loud and clear. You could go ahead and put a 1 in the chat box. See Mr. Kingsley all the way from Nigeria. Nice to have you on the call. Mr. Kumar, you could let us know where you're tuning in from. Let me know if you guys are hearing me loud and clear. Put a 1 in the chat box, please. Right, so I'm assuming that you guys are hearing me loud and clear. So gonna continue here, right? So we understand that Shao Bank is a neo banking system. They offer credits, bonds, and also a deposit service to individuals all around the world. Shao Bank has originally been launched in Hong Kong back in 2022. They not too long after got regulated and registered in the UK, right? And that was just a year ago, guys, right? But in the time period, Shao Bank basically have over 30 plus languages available. You could come in here, guys, and you could see a lot of different business presentation in a lot of different languages. The good thing about Shao Bank in recent times as well, and they diversified into Bitcoin mining, right? And they also got involved into chip technology innovation. So this is two ways they are also bringing in profits to the organization, right? Really, really, really nice stuff. And diversification is the key for future investments, I should say, right? So on Shawbank webpage, you could see a lot of information about the bonds because their main um, income here within the platform is bonds. They bring in through this particular type of investment. As you could see, it's a low risk investment, right? So basically, that is what we want to get into. And just to mention, right, Shao Bank have a very powerful ecosystem behind the organization, and that is four major companies behind Shao Bank, and that's basically let me just point out some of those ecosystem organizations behind Shao Bank. We have Global Future Enterprises, we have Financial Partners Limited. Just looking to pull up that information here for you all, right? And just give me 1 second here, guys. Right, so Shao Bank have a very strong ecosystem behind the platform. And one of the ecosystem that stands out, guys, is one of the corporations, I should say, is Go Insurance. This basically, Go Insurance is telling us that our funds is basically insured with Shao Bank, right? Really, really important stuff there. They have also corporations operating over 35 years of experience. All right, 35 years of experience. The persons behind Shao Bank, guys, we have the founder, Mr. Yang Shao, who is the CEO of Shao Bank, right? He's the founder, really, really thankful for this guy because he made it possible for us to invest into this platform and earn passively. We have Mr. Cheng Li, who is also the managing director of Shao Bank. Really, really awesome guy here. These are the corporate team you all are looking at. Yang Chao, who's the deputy director, Kai Tang, who's the chief legal officer, and you have Rong Tang, who's the chief bond specialist, right? So all this information is available on the website, guys. You could go to Shao Bank website and you could see all the information transparent there under digital banking, who we are, and so forth. And what you all should pay attention to is the ecosystem, right, behind the platform, their contribution towards the finances, right? And with Xiaobang, they have a financial report for 2022. And on page 4, you would see basically the contribution of these ecosystem corporations towards Xiaobang financially, right? But this is really important here, guys. And Hong Kong had reported $56.223 million right before tax. Just check it. Oh, okay, man, from Indonesia. Nice to have you, man. Yes, yes, great, great. Yeah, Shawbank definitely is a unique platform and it's one of the number one platforms out there, I should say, in terms of transparency and stability. Right? So we're looking at the financial reports here. So let's talk about the legal side of Shawbank. With Shawbank, they have available under their website, under who we are documentation, you'll find all the legal information here. That is the certificate number for Hong Kong, the UK number, the legal entity identifier number. You have the ICRS, the IPLC certificate, and the Go Insurance certificate. So all these are required certificates to operate online as a bank, a banking system, and through cyber information as well. So all this information is available on the website. That's the legal side. In terms of security, with Shao Bank, they basically have KYC by default enabled on their website. That is to help protect your identity. And they have the two-factor authenticator. Just log into my account here quickly. Right, the two-factor authenticator, guys, is really important. That's to help secure your account a little better than how it is currently if you sign up with Shao Bank, right? I just want to make a quick announcement as well. Shao Bank, I mean, guys, is really, really performing awesome because recently they introduced a little token of appreciation to the entire community by introducing a new case where you can literally participate into Shao Bank contest program. They have a contest program available on their Telegram channel. That's just a little video review doing less than a minute. You could talk about the 1 year that Shao Bank has been out here, how you got involved, and your future, um, your future with Shao Bank, right? So basically, Shao Bank, once you get into that contest, you are qualified to earn up to 5,000 tokens. So what Shao Bank has done for the Christmas as a token of appreciation to the entire community, normally they give you the ability to spend these tokens on cases, and this is for the marketers and people who like to affiliate platforms who like to share opportunities. With Xiaobang, they basically have introduced now a one-time purchase case where you could use those tokens, the 5,000 tokens you have earned, and buy into the one-time purchase Christmas case of 5,000 tokens, and you could earn 200 to 800 HKD instantly to your account. So you're looking at HKD and you're wondering, what is this about? It's super easy, guys. You just open your tab, you type in USDT to HKD, which is stands for the Hong Kong dollar. And with this HKD now, if you want to find out the value in USDT, how much is minimum 200 and 800, just type it in here. It will tell you how much 200 HKD is, which is 25 USDT, and 800 is 102. So you have the opportunity, once you're an active member in Shao Bank, you have a basic contract available of 51 USDT. You now could take part into the contest program and earn that 5,000 tokens and spend it on the one-time case and earn cash instantly to your account. Isn't that amazing? So that's an easy way you could earn within Shao Bank right about now. So really, really exciting stuff here, guys. Right? Really, really exciting stuff here. With the case being introduced. All right, so as you all can see, the security is really, really tight in Shao Bank. Let me just enter back into our account. And we just want to show you guys the bonds available for investors. You're coming into the platform, you're looking for a way to invest and earn within the platform. This is your options available. There's 6 bonds contract currently running. Right, there's 6 bonds contract. And remember, guys, if you're from Trinidad and Tobago, remember it's only $433 to get you 51 USDT, so you could start participating into the Shao Bank contract and earning some daily returns. So that's what we're going to talk about right now. The first contract is EA1. This particular bond series contract pays 0.45% a day, 7 days a week, it runs for 10 years, right? So with this particular contract, you get on a weekly basis 12.6 HKD. So 12.6 HKD is roughly about 1.60 USDT back to your account. Keeping in mind that the maturity date is 10 years, guys. That's a lot of percentage accumulation there for a 10-year period, right? So the amount payable minimum, as I mentioned, is 51, about 52, let's say 52 USDT, round it off there, and you could get started with Shao Bank. This allows you to print out your certificate, right? So once you have a certificate activated, a contract under bonds history, you're gonna see the date that your contract was purchased. You're gonna see under invested the contract purchase, and now you're gonna see your certificate here, this bond certificate, and you are going to see your agreement as well with Shao Bank. So with this certificate here, yours will be different, of course. You could print it out, guys, get involved with the contest program, do a 1-minute video review, acknowledging that Shao Bank has been here 1 year already, and they have also already catered for 10 years, right? In their roadmap, we talk about that and what you expect out of Shao Bank in future wise and stuff, right? So you could do that in a 1 minute video, submit it, and you have the potential of earning up to 5,000 tokens from Shao Bank, right? So here we also have a bond agreement, which I highly advise persons to take a read of with Shao Bank. So all individuals who participate into the contracts do get a legal agreement form here, a bond purchase agreement form. You take a read of it. It indicates to you a lot of important information dealing with the ecosystem and stuff like that. Corporations. Really, really important stuff there, guys. So once you make a purchase of a contract, remember to check out bonds history, and take a look at the certificate and bond agreement contract. So that's AA1 that pays 0.45. The minimum is 51. They support a lot of popular cryptocurrencies in terms of their investment method. If you want to reinvest into the platform, it is possible as well. You would see pay with HKD, which means when you get your accumulation back to your account and you want to pay with the HKD, you could do that as well, activating more contracts. And that's it, guys. With Shao Bank, you could have multiple contracts working in your account. So we're talking about the AA2 contract here that pays 0.55% a day, runs for 10 years, On a weekly, you're earning 77 HKD, right? The minimum to get started with that is $156.40 USDT. You could come in with that if you could afford it. Remember, it's 0.55% a day you're getting back for 10 years, guys, right? We have AA3 now, which you get 0.65% a day. Minimum is $1,025.60 USDT. Your weekly returns is 364 HKD. Obviously, if you could afford this AA3 contract, it is actually a good option to consider, right? Because 364 HKD will give you 46.61 cents USDT return back to your account. So the nice thing about Shao Bank, the minimum withdrawal on the USDT is $7 USDT. They charge 0% commission, meaning that they don't have no administration fee with the withdrawal of USDT. So you get withdrawals based on my experience since March. Well, um, coming down to this time period, all of our withdrawals took place in less than 24 hours, guys. And that's something I like about Shao Bank. I mean, yesterday we did a withdrawal on Christmas Day and we got it in less than 2 hours, right? So I really like that performance with Shao Bank, and it's really nice to know that we are getting our withdrawals within 24 hours, right? So that's something you could take note of. It's $7 USDT minimum. With this AA3, you could do withdrawals every week. So how Shao Bank works, you get your accumulation every day, but one day for the week, it reflects on your account. So if you buy into AA3, which is 0.65, you just calculate it by 7 to represent the week. It's 4.55% coming back to you, and that is on a weekly basis. That information is also available under your bonds history, where you see your contract being displayed. You would see under expiries there, right hand side, you'd see a countdown timer. Only when that countdown timer hits 0 on all, then you would see accumulation for the week back to your account. Once you have above $7, as I mentioned, you could do withdrawals anytime, guys. Anytime, any day. You could request a withdrawal from the platform. So that's AA3. We have AA4, which is 0.75% a day with this particular contract. Minimum is 5,128 USDT, right? So basically, your weekly earnings is 2,100 HKD. 2,100 HKD, it's 268 USDT back to your account on a weekly basis, right? And that is with contract AA 4.75% a day. If you have money and you want to come in a little big, there is the AA5, which is paying 0.85% a day. With this amount, the minimum to come in this particular contract is 10,256 USDT. You get a weekly earning of 4,760 HKD, right? 4,760. That's 609 USDT on a weekly basis coming back to you. Again, there is a lot of different crypto methods you could choose to invest into the platform. Popular Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash. There's also Alipay and ePay, Solana. We mainly use USDT TRC20. That's why you see me talking a lot about the USDT TRC20. So that's just an option available, guys. That's EA5. We have EA6. This one pays close to 1% a day. That's 0.95% per day, right? Remember, it's 7 days a week. So if we pull back up our calculator here for the EA6, 0.95 by 7, 6.65% a week. So with this type of investment into this contract, the minimum is 51,280 USDT. Your weekly returns is 26,600 each KD. So you could do a lot of things with that particular contract if you could afford it again. A lot of things could happen with the simple AA2 as well, which is, I would say, pretty affordable. It's $256.40 USDT. With this amount you invested in, you could do a strategy, guy. If you get in 77 HKD a week, that's $9. So every week you could do a withdrawal, test the system, leave the balance to grow. And when it reaches 400 HKD into your current balance, you could activate a EA1, having more contracts working for you. So our initiative Shao Bank took since their launch date is that every so often they launch new contracts on the platform, which is a good thing, guys. They're always looking for new opportunities to bring better value for the community, right? So when I joined Shao Bank, as you can see, we got into different contracts. And recently they launched 6 new contracts. So we know in the future after February or so, they might release some new ones. We don't know. But that's how they structure every so often. They release new contracts. So what you should do is capitalize on the opportunities available if you have the finances available to invest into these contracts because the other percentage is coming back to you, right? And the maturity period is 10 years minimum. So that's the investment side of Shao Bank. You're coming in here as an investor. You want to earn through their contracts. That is what is available. At the end of the day, guys, you always risk money that you could afford to lose because it is cryptocurrencies you all are getting involved with. And I don't know if you know, but crypto are unregulated. Yes, they pay nice returns. They have um nice options available and stuff, but it's a risk all of us is taking to come in the platform. And I mean, guys, I'm glad that I took the risk because I am seeing the results now, right? But I'm not saying that every opportunity you see knocks on your door in terms of crypto is going to be a valid opportunity. Many organizations out there, they have scam protocols, they have they have targets and stuff, and we sometimes fall short in these opportunities because we see high percentages, we see things that captures our attention, and sometimes we look past the platforms that are more stable by paying lower percentages. And one of those platforms here is Shao Bank. Because if you look at the percentages, the stability, the quality of information coming out of the website, you will see for yourself exactly what I'm speaking about, right? And that's one of the first thing you had to look when dealing with investment opportunities. You have to look at the quality of content coming out of the project. And with Shao Bank, they have a lot of social presence available, activities. They have a complete website, in fact, right? So all these are things you could take note of and be aware of. So we now into the deposit option. With the deposit option, the minimum to come in is 1,500, sorry, $1,025 USDT and 60 cents. You could come in the deposit, which runs minimum for 1 year and earn 11.5% interest growth on that deposit option. So this is the next way you could earn. Apart from the bonds investment, you have the deposit option available, and you're telling yourself, well, why should I take a deposit option when the bonds contract are paying 0.45, 0.95% a day? The reason being that once you participate in all the products within the platform, you are now qualified for taking a loan within the platform, right? So the loan is categorized in 3 areas. It's mortgage, first area where they pay 9%. They charge 9% interest for the year. You have the consumer loan where they charge 16.5% for the year. A business loan, which they charge 14.5% for the year. So these are loan options. You could always reach out to support if you require additional information on the loans option. Super easy to get in support with Shao Bank. Once you're registered, you have a verified account, right? All you gotta do is log into your account, which is free to do, by the way, guys. You could do that freely. Log into your account, head over to support, and you could open a ticket there and ask a question, right? You would get information directly from Shao Bank support team, right? So basically, what they did in terms of upgrades, they added something called a credit rating score, which shows you statistically how your performance is going towards getting a loan option. And as you all could see, mine is 0.06. Only when that reached 1.00, I could basically be in a position to request for a loan option within Shao Bank, right? So keep that in mind. So the way that would increase is when you start participating into the additional bonds contract, the deposit options, and you start affiliating more in terms of the marketing with Shao Bank, it will increase. So that's just to give you an idea of your credit rating score within the platform. So you could apply for a loan within Shao Bank, right? There's a small form to fill out as well. Again, if you require more information on the loan, reach out to Sport and they will be able to assist you over there. So you enter marketing and you're looking at options available within Shao Bank. Just give me 1 second, guys. If you have a question, you can leave it in the chat box. No problem. Right. So within Xiaobank, they have their own built-in marketplace where you could apply and spend your tokens, right? How you get tokens within the platform is when you start a market, guys. You start to share the opportunity. People come in, they sign with your referral link. You will earn tokens. So, and with that token, you could even get tokens on the contest programs, which happens once a month. They announce new activities on Xiaobank Telegram group. You could participate in those activities and earn tokens and spend these tokens on um, their cases that is available in the marketplace. So this is a way you could earn within the platform by spending those tokens. We have the common case, which is 1,000 token. You could earn 4 to 40 HKD. There's rare, mystical, legendary, and immortal, where you could basically earn minimum 1,500 USDT by having the qualified amount of tokens to buy into the case. So apart from the cases and tokens, you get instant commission to your account for marketing with Xiaobank. And this is really attracting to, to investors out there and even marketers, because Xiaobank on their first level, they pay 7%, right? That's 7% instantly rewarded to your account for having active members in the organization. Signing with your link, of course, having our first level, 7% to your account. You would see price 0 tokens. On your second level, if you want to participate into the 3%, the minimum is 700 tokens, a one-time purchase. You get 3% instantly to your account. So let's say I were to sign Mr. Kiwal to the platform, that'll be my first level. And Mr. Kiwal signs someone else into the platform, that'll be considered my second level and Kiwal's first level. Once Kiwal uses his sign up link to bring in that individual, he earns 7% instantly to his account. So how they have it structured, guys, with the tokens, you can buy into the marketing if you choose the network market, or you could use that cash to basically participate into the marketplace. So it's 10 levels deep into Xiaobank. There's literally 10 levels you could earn within the marketing. And that's 0.50% on your 10th level. But if you want to participate and earn from that particular level, it's going to cost you 24,000 tokens. Yes, it may sound like plenty tokens, but you could earn tokens quickly from Xiaobank, guys. And literally 1 HKD is 12 tokens. So there's a lot of tokens you could earn instantly from Xiaobank. So how it works, when you sign up, once you're interested, you reach back out to the person who invited you to the call. You tell them you would like to get started. You want to take that risk. You want to basically try something new. No problem, guys. You come in, it's minimum 51 USDT to get involved, and they will guide you accordingly. Once you sign up, you have a verified account, you're going to get a Shao Bank virtual card instantly to your account where your funds will be credited to getting your returns on your contracts. It comes to your Shao virtual card. With this card, you could use it in Hong Kong or any one of the supported European countries. Right? You get a CVC code and a nice PIN code to keep it protected. Right, and let's take a look at the chat box here. Fiola, I think it is, Miss Fiola. No, once you're under 18, no, you had to be 18 and above, right? To basically sign up with Shao Bank, right? So you can keep that in mind. So we have the refill balance option where if you could top up your account like a savings now, cryptocurrency savings, you could basically top up your Shao Bank with one of the supported crypto and have it like a savings within the bank. And you could use the money to activate a contract when accumulated to 400 HKD and above. There's a withdrawal tab here where you could withdraw minimum $7 USDT. Look at here, guys, $6.41 USDT. There's a lot of different methods you could choose to withdraw. Although you deposit with USDT, you have the option of withdrawing Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, a lot of different options available. What you have to keep in mind, if you choose a different crypto, it's going to be a minimum different amount doing the withdrawal, right? And they also charge a percentage doing those different cryptocurrencies. So you just have to be aware of how much the commission would be if you're choosing a different crypto to withdraw from Shao Bank platform here to your crypto wallet. So you can see ETHs are different, 4%, ERC 2.9. You have a lot of different Tron and stuff like that, right? So that's a withdrawal tab. There's a transfer tab where you could transfer money from your account directly to your partner's Shao account as well. And that is free, of course. You don't have to pay for that and it happens instantly, guys. So I like that feature because if you sign up somebody into the platform, you make a sale for your crypto and you want to transfer it from your account to their account, it is possible to do it within Shao Bank through their internal transfer feature. Right, so let me know if you guys have any questions in the chat box. All right, let me know if you have any questions, because at this time I'm coming to an end on today's presentation, right? A lot of people is tired from yesterday, all the Christmas activities, and today's Boxing Day. Yeah, a lot of sale in Trinidad and Tobago, a lot of activities out there, right? I want to wish everybody a safe and blessed remaining of the day. Right. It is the 26th of November. December, sorry. Right. We coming to a close. Right. Looking for great things next year, 2024. As you can see, Shao Bank have a roadmap here, guys. You all should take a look at it from the day that they launch. A lot of accomplishments within this current day. Take a look at their YouTube channel. No need to rush anything in making a decision. You take your time, you understand what the platform is about. No one is rushing anyone to get involved, especially if you're brand new and you're confused, you want to make sure that you understand everything to your knowledge and then you get involved, right? With that being said, guys, I will see you all on the inside. Do have a blessed remaining of today, right? We will have a next call on Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I will look forward to seeing you guys on the inside. Have a great, great day ahead and a blessed and prosperous 2024. All right, it's coming this new year. Have a great one, guys. I will see you all on the next call.